All right, time to take a look at the rechargeable Mosquito Swatter. Okay. So this is pretty cool. One of the things that I don't like about those typical bug zapper rackets is that they just take up a lot of space. But with this, I can just take this guy and just set it up like that. So it's taking up a lot less desk space. This actually takes up less space than a regular bug zapper. And those things stand tall just like this one. So that's really cool. That is a great way of saving space while also still having your bug zapper. And that's micro USB to USB-A. So there are a couple LEDs down here. It's kind of hard to see in this light, but we can see that we are charging. It is currently at 3.5 bars out of 4. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Cool. So it's not outputting a ton of light. It doesn't really have to. This is just supposed to attract the bugs to it. I don't want this thing to be like an ever-present thing in the room. So the fact that it only puts out a little bit of light, that's exactly what I was looking for. So that's pretty darn cool. Let's see what it looks like with the lights off. There we go. That's pretty cool. Basically right now it is on, so if anything flies into it, it'll just take care of it. And then if there's anything actually flying around that they're not actually being attracted to it, you just take this thing up, give it a whack, and then that's it. Cool. Yeah, I like that. And it says that it outputs 3,000 volts DC. So that is more than enough to take care of a fly. So we got 5 lights here. So these are just the charge level, and this is the high voltage indicator. So if I push this up one, then we can see the charge level, so all these are green. And then if I press the button on the back, that turns red. So that means we have high voltage, so this is currently charged. And this will zap whatever you hit it with. And if you want this thing to be on all the time, we just push this up to the second position. We can see that light is on, and we have that glow going on underneath. So this is going to attract bugs, and it's also going to zap them. So yeah, overall, that is a very cool swatter.